In early 1838, during the brutal Second Seminole War, Florida's swamps became a battlefield. The Seminole people fiercely resisted U.S. removal policies, using the sawgrass and rivers as deadly cover. On January 15th, Lieutenant Levin Powell's small force of about 80 troops sailed up the Loxahatchee River, straight into a Seminole ambush. 9 days later, General Thomas Jessup struck back with 1,500 troops, the largest U.S. force of the war. They faced around 300 Seminole and Black Seminole warriors, led by Chief Abiaka. The Seminoles held strong riverbank positions, pouring fire as soldiers charged across the water. Outnumbered and low on ammunition, the Seminoles retreated into the Everglades, slipping away like shadows to fight another day. Though the U.S. claimed tactical victory, this was the last major pitched battle of the war. The Seminoles never fully surrendered, marking a turning point toward uneasy negotiations and preserving their unbreakable spirit in Florida's wild heart. After the smoke cleared in 1838, this land became a place of peace and preservation. Welcome to Loxahatchee River Battlefield Park in Jupiter, Florida, where history meets adventure today. Start at the entrance sign and visitor center, where panels explain the battles, the wildlife corridor, and the river's wild beauty. Grab a bite from the food truck, rent a canoe, kayak, or bike, and head down the path to the launch area. Follow the trails along the Loxahatchee. Nearly 10 miles of paths wind through sawgrass, hammocks, and river views. Picnic under canopy chickees, watch kayakers glide by, or spot bicyclists and even horses on the equestrian trails. This is active Florida wilderness. Beware of alligators, keep your distance, and enjoy responsibly. These grounds once echoed with gunfire. Now they invite you to explore, reflect, and connect with the past in a whole new way. Fast forward to Reenactment Day at Loxahatchee River Battlefield Park, and the grounds come alive with the spirit of 1838, minus the smoke of battle. Wander through authentic U.S. Army camps with period tents, gear, and living history demos, and the Seminole Village, honoring the warriors' traditions and unbreakable spirit. Food trucks serve up modern eats, while vendors offer crafts and historical goods. Connect with representatives from the Seminole Tribe, bringing authentic perspectives, stories, and cultural insights right to the heart of the park. Catch historical lectures and presentations like the Circle of Unity Talks, where experts and voices unite to educate, inspire, and bridge past and present. It's a full day of family fun, learning, and reflection, honoring the Battle of Loxahatchee and the enduring legacy of Florida's frontier. If you're in Jupiter, mark your calendar for the next annual event, usually around late January, and step into this living history yourself. Thanks for joining Terran Adventures today. If this journey through time sparked your curiosity, hit that like button, subscribe for more hidden Florida adventures, and chase the journey with us. See you on the next trail.
Ready! Aim with extreme elevation!